Hey there, it's BTwin here. On the ground before you there is a lock, a bicycle D-lock, held in a vice. The vice is just sitting on the ground, but it's big and heavy and it's not really pinching it too tight, it's only to hold it vertically upright. It is vertical despite the camera angle. I'm going to hit it with a sledgehammer and see if it cracks. Tommy suggested it was a good idea. I think he's not the one who has to do it. I'm going to put on a face shield and then hit it with a hammer. Got to be up on 4 or 6 kilos. My voice sounds weird because I'm wearing a Perspex face shield. Let's see what happens. Before we see what happens, the idea is that bending the hoop might cause a brittleness in the metal. Don't know if that's true or not. They maybe anneal it, maybe they don't. It depends on the processes. This is a BTwin US lock. I tried opening it before with a car jack, squeezing it apart. There'll be another video link here probably, or down there. But I tried squeezing it this way with a car jack, and in the end nothing happened and the car jack started to bend. So it's certainly well stuck where the locking mechanism is. Let's hit it with this hammer. So far it's damaged the plastic really, and there's a lot of plastic there to come off, so I'll keep battering it like that. It's damaged the rubber somewhat there, like you'd expect it to. Just hit it with a hammer. I can't tell if I'm hitting it square on, but I'm certainly hitting it, so we'll give it a few more goes, but I have a feeling I know the answer to this. So I believe that blow was somewhat more squarely on. Let's get that bit of plastic off. Get that bit of plastic off, and we're getting down to the bar inside, and there's the pin that comes through that bar. And whatever's locking it in there is certainly holding on properly. No damage of a fracturing nature. We are just putting dents in it and smashing off the rubber. If I pull that down, it might help. And the reason I say that is because it's not cushioning any blow. I don't really wish to say that I've busted any myths here. I have just whopped it a few times with the hammer and no cracking or anything is visible. So I'm going to give it one last test. This is my record 30-inch. It's been reground, but the jaws are well flattened out on it. It either goes or doesn't go through bike locks, depends on the lock and how it's hardened, so we'll see. Oh. It's just jumping out of the jaws. You saw me fairly bouncing on it there, but I think this is a good lock, you know. You know, I wonder, there's some lines on the inside there. Can we see? You can see them there. I wonder, is it getting a stress fracture or something on it? On the inside, there's definitely, if you could see, if I wasn't just showing you my hand, there they are they? Yeah, just there in front of my finger. I'm going to try it with the hammer one more time, maybe a few more times. Better get that visor again. I can't tell if those lines are getting bigger, but I suspect they are, you know. Can't tell if it's in the paint or more. Perseverance. I really didn't think that would work. I've got to hand it to him. He's probably robbed a few bikes, says Tommy, with a sledgehammer. I never thought that would work. Opening a bike lock, U-lock, hardened steel. You can see the grain structure in there. With a sledge. That's weird. So okay, it was hardened, so it wouldn't open with the bolt cutters, which are down on the floor. But by whopping it repeatedly, like what, 10, 15 times, you can see the damage to the asphalt down there. Yeah, the asphalt is fairly battered, but no more battered than it would be if you hit it 10 times with the sledge, I guess. You could easily get that off a bike now. You know, you've got 1.5 inches there, 40mm to maneuver. See? It's kind of good, kind of scary. Now, the reality is, right, where are you going to be that you can get your bike lock stood up to be able to transmit that much force and have nothing above it and it be locking a bike? So it's an academic kind of a question, but I think it's answered. Take back what I said. Wow. Thanks for watching. See you later. You know what? Let me know in the comments below what you think, because that has surprised me. Thanks for watching. See you later.